We're going to show you how the TireBee tire repair tool works on this over-the-road truck tire. It has a nail stuck in it all the way through. First step, put a little of the safety seal, special lube, on the probe and the plug. We use safety seal plugs because they're the best plugs going, self-vulcanizing, they do not leak. First step is to pull the nail and start the probe. Very good. Then push the probe all the way through the nail hole. This will spread the wires in the belts and open up the hole just the right amount for the plug. Then we pull the probe most of the way out. We'll put the plug tool, plug needle in place. Plug the tire. You push it in slowly. It's very easy with the leverage the tool gives you, but you push it in slowly to be sure you're following the exact wound channel and not creating a new one. And you pull the needle out. The safety seal plug is self-vulcanizing and guaranteed to never leak. So that's a complete finished repair. Cut the top of the plug off and your tire is repaired, ready to be aired up.